Nothing like music to soothe the soul. Thank you so much. Now I invite you, if it's comfortable for you, to close your eyes. This is a way of shutting the shutters on the world of time and space. Reminding ourselves that all things outside of us originate inside of us. That we are ever blessed with the ability to change our minds about what we see. To be, if you will, born again. This inner sanctuary of stillness and soothing silence never, ever leaves you. It does, however, require your attention, my attention. And that is precisely what we are about the business of in these next few moments. Finding within ourselves a willingness to recognize that in absolute truth, the world we see with our human eyes holds nothing that we really want, nothing that we really need. For all that we desire and all that we require lives within us. So we're willing together this morning to let go of our preoccupation with thoughts and the incessant ramble of that internal voice that is always beckoning to us to be more, do more, have more in this time-space experience. To let go of our thoughts, to let go even of our feelings, to let go of everything that we have believed ourselves to be, every concept, every idea, to allow our minds to become as empty as possible in a way that leaves only awareness within us. A neutral space where we can observe the coming and going of all material phenomena and never lose our balance, never lose our way. If there is anything weighing on your mind or your heart this morning, I invite you to let it go, to give it, as we say, to God, and to trust that in this stillness and silence within you, there is a natural way of moving through life. And it's easy, and it's comforting, and it's helpful to yourself, to those you love, and to all of your brothers and sisters in the family of humanity. There is a great call being sounded in the world right now. A reminder that we cannot serve two masters, but we only need to serve one. That is the eternal voice of God within us. And that voice can only truly be heard with clarity and conviction when we sink and settle into the silence of our being. And having saturated ourselves in this sacred, soothing stillness and silence, we're ready to move out into the world in a way more powerfully than we have ever done before. We are seeking nothing from the world outside of us. We have received everything from the universe, the reality inside of us. And that has empowered us to take right and pure and perfect action in our world every day. Forever we know what to do, how to do it, when to do it. And our success is guaranteed by nothing less than God. We let it be. So it is. In thanksgiving we say,